Hello, my name is Simone Bailey and I am so excited for this video today because today I will be unboxing the newly released Lirika Matoshi Strawberry Bucket Hat. This is the hottest hat right now, and for good reason because it's freaking amazing. This hat has over 70,000 likes on Instagram and it just came out. So today I will tell you why this hat is such a big deal. I will give you the big reveal as I've been waiting for this video to unbox it for you and try it on. And I will also give you a tip on how you can get the real thing from the designer's site at a discount. First off, this is not an ad. I am not on the Lirika Matoshi payroll, but I can't tell you how many times I have stared longingly at her site, wishing, hoping, dreaming that I could be the proud owner of one of her pieces. And today, my friends, that day has come. So I am so excited to share it with you. This hat is not only a great gift to self, but it also makes a great gift for any special someone. It is unisex, it is one size fits all, and the hat size is generous. It is designer and super affordable, and it brings a lot of joy, and you will see why in just a moment. Let's get to it, shall we? I'll tell you why this hat is such a big deal by giving you a little bit of context, a little bit of brief modern fashion history, if you will. Lirika Matoshi is about 25 years old. She's young. She's a fashion designer who became wildly popular mainly for her strawberry dress. This strawberry dress went viral on TikTok, Instagram, and social media, and for good reason. It is stunning and is the true embodiment of femininity and fantasy. And if you look up #strawberrydress, you'll see what I mean. And during a time when events were canceled and no one was really going out because of the pandemic, and with a price tag of $490 for the dress, you would think that sales would plummet. Well, think again. Sales of her infamous strawberry dress skyrocketed as of August 2020, and the movement is still going strong. I dare say it was a strawberry sensation. Celebrities were wearing it. Companies and sewers alike were clamoring to duplicate it, and it even made its way onto the red carpet of the 2020 Grammys. It was the dress of 2020, and it is still one of her top-selling items. Lirika is one of the hottest designers right now. She's based out of New York City, originally from Kosovo, which is southeastern Europe, and I believe, but you have to fact check this, I read that she was initially rejected from fashion school. And so she was inspired and influenced by her older sister, who is also a highly successful fashion designer. And they are both known for using luxury fabrics with embellishments. And Lirika's collection evokes a sense of dreamy fantasy. She did a collection that was Disney inspired. She's got gowns, embellished socks, and she does these beautiful sweaters with like cherries and clouds and all these other things. You really got to check it out. Her pieces are like works of art that are functional and you can wear, and her whole collection has become quite iconic. I've been following her on Instagram for a while, and when she released the strawberry bucket hat, I peeked at the price and I ordered it pretty much right away. This is the most affordable designer wear I have seen in a long ass time. And if you are like me and have been dreaming of adding some Lirika Matoshi magic to your collection, this is the item for you. This little purchase under $40 really perked me up, and it is a must-have for summer. So let's get to it. Let's talk about shipping. I ordered this hat in mid-April, and it took about 2.5 weeks to arrive. And I was a little concerned because after my purchase went through, I was so excited, but it was 2 weeks before I even got an email confirmation that it was on its way. But it did finally arrive here to me in Los Angeles. It arrived in a plastic DHL shipping bag, which I was actually pretty thankful for because it looks a little more low profile to deter any fashionista thieves. And inside was this. Isn't it cute? This is the Lirika Matoshi tissue paper wrapped with a cute little bow, and it's my little bundle of joy, and it's all mine, and I can't wait to open it. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. I'm so excited. All right. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. It's so amazing. Yeah. All right. I don't know that I can preserve this paper. I think this is a ripper. I think this is a ripper, you guys. Oh. Baby. Oh my goodness. Yes. 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 Oh wow. It is so beautiful. Look at the strawberries, how they dance in the light. It's so glittery and awesome. Oh, yeah. Yes, look at it. Oh my goodness. So cute. I just love this hat so much. It's so great. So a little bit of product information about it. It is made from upcycled fabric from her strawberry collection. It's made of 2 layers of the tulle fabric with hand-painted glitter strawberries. And the website says that they use environmental protection glue. This hat also, this is the pink version. They also have a black background one, and she has about 7 bucket hats on her site right now. She's got another one with daisies. She's got another one with glitter stars, a floral one, and then some like really wild patterned ones. They are all one size, super affordable, as I mentioned. And this is really cool. So it's in the inside brim. You can see there's all these glitter stars, which is great if you want to turn your hat up, turn it up. And then, of course, oops, I don't know if you can see that. The tag, Lirika Matoshi tag right there on the inside. And this is just wonderful. I'm so thrilled. Yay! Sizing, I will also mention that the circumference of this hat is 23.5 inches or 59.69 centimeters, which is great because I do have a lot of hair and my head is on the larger side, so I always do appreciate a hat that is a little more generous in sizing. So I think they really did a great job in making this a very accessible hat for a lot of people's head sizes. And I love it. All right, I think I'm ready to try it on. You guys ready? Here we go. Oh yeah, it's so cute. Look at it. It is so freaking cute. Oh my God. Oh, I am in love with this hat right now. It's so freaking adorable. So a tip for you guys. And this is a tip for whenever you're online shopping. So if you want to get this hat or anything, I guess, from her store with a discount, hopefully this applies. It depends on where you are in the world, obviously. I'm in the US, and so this is what worked for me. Whenever you're shopping, always, always check. You know when you check out and it asks, do you have a promo code or a discount code, coupon code? Always, always, always do a quick Google search and see. And so that's exactly what I did with this. I Google searched, is there a Lirika Matoshi discount code, coupon code, whatever, promo code? And sure enough, I tried it and it worked. So I saved over $10, which was free shipping, basically. So that's a way to keep your costs down on this designer hat. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I am thrilled. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel and stay connected. I'll put my links in the description box below. I'm an actress and I do videos interviewing other celebrities, and I also do meditation and other things on my channel. So stick around and check out my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, magical strawberry day and lots of love. I'm Simone Bailey, and peace out for now. Thanks, guys.